I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I also have a giveaway for you guys. So these are the Garnier Skin Natural Serum Mask. These are dermatologically tested and these are my all-time favorite mask. The first mask that I have for you guys is this Hydra Balm. Now this contains pomegranate and is really good for dehydrated skin. It really works on dry skin and oily skin. So the second mask that I have is the Sakura White. I love this mask. It really works on dull skin and it gives a beautiful glow. Good for dry skin, sensitive, oily, and also for the combination skin. Last but not the least, this one is the Light Complete Mask. Now this contains lemon, which works on dehydrated skin and also helps in reducing dullness, and it also fades dark spots. So it really works on acne prone skin, combination skins. So guys, if you want to win these 3 masks, you have to follow the 3 rules that I have mentioned in the description box below. I'm gonna meet you in my next video. Till then, bye guys.